Take your hand off of me.
Sir, I'm not putting
Step
my
out of the
hand
car.
on you.
Step
No,
out of
sir.
the car.
No.
You're going to jail. Step out of the car. You're going to jail.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a
Come on,
minute.
she
Okay, let me
import-
sign. Let me sign the paper.
It's
Let me
too
sign
late,
the paper.
man. Too late. You're going to jail.
This is not right.
10-4 when you pay.
This is not right. This is not right. This is not right. What are you doing?
All right.
Why are you
sure you don't have
following
any
me? Why are you
weapons on
following me, sir? Why are you touching my boob?
No one's touching you. Have a seat.
Lady, don't touch me! Jeff!
You get on the ground, I'm up.
Stop resisting!
I'm not resisting!
Put your
Stupid fucking bitches are all the time flooding me! I didn't do
stop
shit!
resisting.
All I wanted was a
Stop
gentleman!
resisting.
I'm gonna tase you if you keep resisting.
Oh my god.
Knees to chest.
All I told you
Knees
was
to
I
chest.
wanted to talk to a general manager.
Well,
This
too bad.
is fucking bullshit. Y'all are bullshit.
In this episode, we've got two cases that will take you on a roller coaster of confusion, surprise, and disbelief. On March 21st, 2025, an officer pulled over a nurse who happened to be driving above the speed limit. The officers were not set for what was coming.
Back there it says 55.
Even if the speed limit back there is 55.
Yeah, that's what
You're
I was going on.
No, you're going 85. Yeah, you're cruising. Do you have your license on you?
Sure.
This section now is 45.
Right, because I'm almost home. I've done. Okay.
Thank you. Everything good with your license? No outstanding tickets or anything like that?
No.
I'll be right with you.
Here's
Here's your license. Sorry. So this is a citation for that speed, okay? The 85 and the 45. It does.
Not going
So with that, you don't get any of the three options. You have to contact this number on the front and schedule a court hearing, okay? It doesn't allow me to give you a fine amount, all right? All I need from you is a signature.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Deputy, it's right there on the bottom of the citation right there.
You didn't hear what I asked. Yeah.
You said, what is my name? I said,
No,
it's
I
Deputy.
did not ask you that.
Okay.
Sir. You said that I have to go for a court hearing. I said, what do you mean by that?
It means you got to contact that number and schedule an appearance in front of the judge. The speed is too great for me to issue a fine amount.
Every driver, before being given a license, is told clearly about the consequences of driving above the speed limit, so she can't say she doesn't understand what the officer meant when he told her she would have to appear in court. The officer clearly didn't want any drama, but her opposition was her own way of choosing the hard route.
We're going to start out with that. So again, you were doing 85 miles an hour and a posted 45 mile an hour speed
And I
limit.
said I was not. I was
Okay.
at 55.
We're not going to argue roadside. That's
course.
something that you go to a judge.
Correct.
And in this case, you don't get three options like a normal speed citation. You get the option of calling the number and scheduling a court hearing. At that time, you can make your argument with the judge that you were not speeding. Okay? That's the time that you get to argue. You don't get to argue roadside. Okay?
I'm not arguing with you, sir.
You are arguing.
Okay.
Okay?
So you're going to arrest me because I'm not arguing with you.
I'm not saying you're not. I'm not saying I'm arresting you for not agreeing. I'm saying if you fail to sign a citation for a court
I
date.
am picking up the citation. I will go to the court, but I'm not signing something that I do not understand.
These Karens are always fast to talk about their rights, even when there's absolutely no need for it. And that's the funny part of situations like this. Even if she genuinely didn't understand what he meant, all she needed to do was ask the officer to explain. The officer then called his supervisor to speak with her, hoping that maybe authority on a higher level would calm her down. What she did next changed the course of the whole encounter.
If you want my supervisor to explain this to you, he's right behind me.
Do you want me to call my family member? Because it's right on the phone.
Nothing what your family is going to say is going to change what I'm about to tell you.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, I would understand them better than you.
Hey, traffic 6, you want to come over here?
Because you said you're going to arrest me for calling my family member?
I didn't say I was going to
Yes,
arrest
you
you for
did.
calling your family member. I said I would arrest you for not signing, saying that you're going to show up to your court date.
You cannot arrest me for that,
Okay.
sir.
I'm going to let you talk to my supervisor. He's going to tell you that I can arrest you for not signing the citation.
No, you cannot arrest
Okay.
me for that.
All right.
We heard her clearly say she wanted to speak to his supervisor, yet when the supervisor finally arrived, she still wasn't ready to cooperate. It was like she asked for something she never intended to accept. She was only interested in proving a point that didn't need to be proven. At this point, she left the officers with one option.
Sir.
Yeah, you're not going to sign it? Yes or no?
No.
Okay.
And then I will go to the judge.
Okay.
I will
Listen,
go to the
do me a favor. No,
Sir.
take your hand off of me.
Sir, I'm not putting
Step
my
out of
hands
the
on
car.
you.
Step
No,
out of
sir.
the car.
No.
You're going to jail. Stop out of the car. You're going to jail.
Wait a minute.
Come on.
Wait a minute. Wait
Come
a
on,
minute.
is she
Okay,
in court?
let me sign the paper.
It's
Let me
too
sign
late,
the paper.
man.
Too late.
Too late. You're going to jail. Step out of the car. You're going to get tased in about 2 seconds. Step out of the car.
Wait a minute.
You're
Whoa.
going to jail.
Wait a minute. Why y'all doing this?
Yeah, we are.
Okay, wait.
Put your hands behind your back.
Sir, wait a minute.
Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest. You are under arrest. Put your hands behind your back.
This is not right.
10-4 when you pay.
This is not right.
This is not right.
This is not right. Sir, this is not right.
Okay, you were.
Sir, this is not right. You just
Listen, you were
punched me in my
ordered
face.
to. Yeah, he explained.
punched me in my
Listen to me. No, nobody punched you in your face. Say so.
If someone refuses to sign a citation, the next step is arrest. Now that she was about to be arrested, she was suddenly ready to sign. The regret sets in fast. She doesn't want to go to jail, but she still wasn't willing to cooperate when it actually mattered. She would have simply signed the citation, taken her paper, and gone home. But she wanted to prove something that didn't make sense. It was more like she wanted to intimidate the officer, and these situations all end the same way. In the end, she was charged for refusing to sign a summons and resisting an officer without violence. Those are charges that could have been avoided in less than 2 minutes. She would have gone home if only she had listened. But entitlement has a way of clouding judgment, making people pick unnecessary battles that only hurt them in the end. When you look at the situation from start to finish, it becomes clear that nothing about the officer's request was unreasonable. He was simply following protocol, but she just chose to escalate the whole situation. Wisdom demands that she sign the citation and move on, and if she truly believes she was not speeding, then she can go to court and fight her case in the proper way. If she was truly not driving at that speed, then showing up in court would give her a chance to present evidence and possibly win. The system is designed for exactly that. Now she has to learn her lesson the hard way, but the Karen in our next video wasn't ready to leave Domino Pizza without seeing the general manager.
Lady, don't touch me! Jeff!
Get on the ground. I'm up.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting!
Put your.
Stupid fucking bitches are all the time flooding me! I didn't do
Stop
shit!
resisting.
All I wanted was to
Stop
get with
I'm
resisting.
gonna tase you if you keep resisting.
Oh my god.
Ready? Knees to chest.
All I told you
Knees
was
to
I
chest.
wanted to talk to the general manager.
Well,
This is
too bad.
fucking bullshit. Y'all are bullshit.
On June 10, 2023, an officer responded to a call from a Domino's Pizza about a lady who refused to leave, claiming she wanted to speak with the manager before leaving.
Speak to the manager. Apparently he's the assistant manager. He doesn't even want to call them to come up here. He doesn't want to do anything. I have an issue and he's not. And that's fine. So I'd like to talk.
Do you have an
to-
ID on you?
No, I don't have my ID on me at all.
You were also vaping in the store, being loud and rude.
I hit the vape twice, and yes, I was loud.
No smoking.
Okay. What's your
Yeah,
first
no,
name?
It's not gonna happen.
What's your first name?
When the general manager gets here, then I will talk to the general manager.
What is your first name? Or do you want me to escort you out of here?
I want to talk to the general manager.
Okay. I'm asking you a question, and you're going to answer it, or I'm going to forcefully
I
make
told
you
you I will answer your questions as soon as the general manager.
Okay,
gets here.
I'm not waiting for the general manager.
That's great. You're here for what? Somebody trespassing? This is public property.
No, it's not. This is a business. This is not public property.
And I'm waiting for a business person.
All she needed to do was give her name so the officer could complete the trespass order, but most Karens want to prove they are above the law, and this is where everything starts going in the wrong direction. This was just one way of choosing the hard route.
Until the general manager gets here, because I'm not talking to the cop until the general
Did you
manager.
drive here? You can stay in your car.
I didn't drive here. I walked here.
Okay.
So there we go. Again, I am here. Until
Okay,
the general...
they called.
You
Listen,
and I-
no, you're going to listen to me. No.
We are not arguing.
Out. Go.
She's trying to pull me out of the
Ain't
property,
nobody for you.
so then the general manager doesn't have to show up anyway.
They will show up and speak to you, but you're going to leave because they
Then
want you to leave.
Can we just wait here?
No,
Not be in-
you're gonna wait outside.
I am not doing anything. We can sit here and wait.
No, you're
inside.
gonna wait
This is
outside.
set. Okay.
You either get up and leave, or I make you
The way
leave.
she's talking to me, like she's.
You want her to leave, right?
Yes,
No,
Exactly.
I'm not coming home.
She
Like,
was being rude.
You have 2 seconds to get up, or I'm going to forcefully make you leave.
I'm not coming home. I'm talking to the fucking general manager.
Okay, you can
I'm
talk to
getting
general
inside.
manager when you leave.
I swear to God, everybody with a fucking badge and gun thinks they.
Okay, now that we're outside, what?
It's always the same pattern with these cases. Instead of listening, instead of answering the very simple question they are asked, they pick up their phones and call someone, as if calling a friend or a spouse suddenly stops them from following instructions. The officer gave her more than enough time to comply, but she felt she was untouchable. She left the officer with no other option.
Lady, don't touch me! Jeff!
You get on the ground, or I'm up.
Stop resisting!
I'm not resisting!
Put your
Stupid fucking bitches are all the time flooding me! I didn't do
stop
shit!
resisting!
All I wanted was a
Stop
gentleman
resisting.
I'm
man.
going to tase you if you keep resisting.
Oh my God.
Ready? Give me your
There
fucking
you
hands.
go, you stupid bitch.
You could have made it simple, but look.
It was simple. You could have hung out in there and been quiet.
No, because I don't work for Domino's Pizza. I work for the Rockledge Police
you
Department.
were. Exactly, but yeah, here you are doing Domino's Pizza
Stop.
bullshit.
Don't move your hands.
I mean, are you gonna cuff it or not?
Will you shut up?
I mean, I'm holding patiently. Are you scared?
So you're going to give me your name now?
Nope, not till the general manager got
Well,
here.
guess
like
what?
I told you.
You're not going to deal with the general manager because you're going to jail. Knees to chest.
All I told you
Knees
was
to
I
chest.
wanted to talk to the general manager.
Well,
This
too bad.
fucking bullshit. Y'all are bullshit. I wasn't even resisting. She was pulling my
Turn around.
fucking hair. You were fighting me. I was just telling you all I wanted to do was talk to the goddamn
Well, guess
general
what? I
manager.
told you it wasn't going to work.
No, wait, because you're a bitch. Obviously, you've got
Spread your
something
feet.
to prove.
Spread your feet. I don't care if it's your wife.
No, I did not. She touched me. No, I didn't. I didn't touch her.
Sit
She
down.
fucking touched me.
There was no need for this arrest if only she had listened. She made it seem like the general manager was above the law. Interestingly, even if the general manager came, it wouldn't stop the officer from carrying out her duty because the management had already made it a legal issue, so every process must be followed duly. Next, the officers went to speak with her husband, and here was what he said.
We've been trying to get a hold with their management for all afternoon. We've been trying to get a hold of their management
No,
all
I'm not.
afternoon. Please tell me what I can do.
She's under arrest.
I know she is right now, but why? Why? Because we asked for a manager and they didn't want to give us the information to call?
And this bitch right here.
Okay. That's.
Okay, well I want to file a formal fucking complaint about this fucking store then.
You can do that.
Okay, well then let's do that at the same fucking time.
What's
then.
her first
No,
name?
we're gonna do that formal complaint first.
All right.
She called her husband to the scene, thinking he would save her from the consequences of her decisions. But as we clearly saw, no man, not even her husband, is above the law. She would have joined her husband to go home, but she now has to ride to jail, where she will spend far more than the price of a pizza. Filing a lawsuit would have been a better approach if they felt truly wronged, and the officer even hinted that they could take legal action later if they believed the store handled it unfairly. But doing that now, in the heat of the moment, doesn't resolve the issue because his wife still had to go to jail for simply not agreeing to say her name. One fact remains in all of this: the store was a private business, and that part is important. They have every right to trespass whoever they want to trespass. Since they didn't need her around, she would have quietly left and resolved her issues later through the right channel. The police were not there to argue with her or negotiate with her. They were only there to carry out the business's request. All she needed to do was to comply. She was later charged with resisting arrest and trespass, 2 charges that didn't need to exist if she had simply given her name.